Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the low volume issue on ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X device. Most commonly this issue occurs because of Dolby Atmos enhancer, and to disable it you have to go to the start menu, then open settings, then go to system, select sound, and in sound select speakers. Now swipe down, and here where it says Dolby Atmos for speakers, change it to off, and then check your device's sound quality. Once again, as many users have reported, volume increases significantly after disabling this feature. Now if this doesn't help you, you can also check the pre-installed application, which is Dolby Access, on your device. Open it, and here you can switch the sound mode from game to, for example, movie, and see how it works for you. You can also play with equalizers if you'd like, and also ensure that the system volume on the taskbar is set to 100%. Also check your sound output device. It should be speakers, Realtek audio, and by the way, tap the Xbox button, go to settings, make sure that the Bluetooth is turned off so that the sound doesn't get rerouted to your Bluetooth device, and also make sure that your audio settings are properly set in your ArmoryCrate application. Go to let me show it once again. In your ArmoryCrate, go to settings tab and go to audio. Then in audio, go to speaker modes, and make sure that they're either turned off, or if they're turned on, you can play with this slider and change the noise cancelling by moving the slider to the right or to the left, and see how this changes your volume quality. And also check for the audio driver updates. To do so, go back to this application, go to Update Center, click Check for Updates, wait until it finds any updates available for your device, and see if there are any updates to your Realtek audio driver. As you can see, for me the Realtek audio driver happens to be in up-to-date applications. You can also open MyASUS application, which should also be pre-installed on your device. And in MyASUS application, go to System Update, let your device check for updates, and see if there are any additional updates. And the last place to check for updates is Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Also go to Advanced Options and open Optional Updates. And if there are any updates, especially the driver ones, then download and install them. And if your device finds any updates, of course, download and install them too. Let your device restart, and at this point your problem should be resolved. So all of these approaches have helped many users regain proper speaker volume and provide a noticeable audio boost beyond system defaults. And I really hope that this video helped you too, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.